This is Erica with Erica's Random Blog. So if you're joining me today, it's probably because you're a tool guy, or you really love Tekton because you're smart, or you're an awesome woman like me who also is into tools. So today I am going to show you the cutest Tekton tool that I own. And that is not a misspeaking. I did mean the cutest. And you will absolutely agree once you see it. Dun 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 dun. Tell me that is not adorable. Look at that cute little thing. This is the Tekton Quick Release Ratchet in a 1/4 inch drive. For cuteness, maximizing, we're gonna measure this little sucker. Let's see. It's gonna be a whole 3.5 inches long. That is awesome. I can only imagine it works as good as it looks, because it is perfect. I think everybody needs one. So if you're into the whole specky dealy stuff, there's info. It's got the locking ball. Quick releasey. Very nice. A little clicky dealer there. Compact head, it says, is narrow and thin without compromising strength. I believe it. And it's got a 90-tooth gear. It works in tight spaces with a 4-degree swing. Oh, I'm seeing it. Super cute. Yes, everybody needs one. I don't know where we got it. Probably from Myers. Probably an impulse buy at midnight when I sent my husband to go get a grill. And he came home with, $500 later worth of Tekton tools. But I can't even be mad at him. Because, look at it. Just look at it. It's so cute. Would you just look at it? It's perfect. Join me next time.